I missed the kick in the big game, failed my driving test, misspelled my ex-girlfriend's name on the tattoo on my chest, 'cause I can't do nothing right.
Dacii lahko čestitamo, da svoje kritike posluša in upošteva. Bil je namreč lodgy, škatlast, neatraktiven enoprostorec s slabimi voznimi lastnosti. Ampak popravni izpit je zdaj opravljen. Ime mu je Jogger.
You know, the family, traditional family, were expecting roominess, big cargo, but now they want more than that. They want also an attractive car. And as well, this car can follow all the leisure activities that the new families have. For example, you have here the smart roof bar that can be longitudinal and lateral. You can put easily your stuff on the roof. You have a big boot in order to put your bicycles or whatever, let's say, outdoor sport you're doing. It's really a unique offer. That's why, obviously, we can put that in station wagon, but it's much more than that. So we will pick, let's say, several customers from many parts of the market. This is really a unique offer. Jogger is really a unique offer.
3/4 Daciinih kupcev izbere najbogatejše opremljene verzije, tudi najbolj našminkane verzije. Pri Sanderu to recimo predstavlja stepway. Pri Joggerju pa stepwaya ni.
The Jogger is a stepway native. We took the big wheels, the side protection, the ground clearance. So the car is already, let's say, outdoor, already stepway in the, let's say, technical ingredient. But we expect that this version Extreme, at least at the beginning, will be the best seller. We did a specific color, some deco parts, and this is really nice, really attractive. So we expect a big mix, a big choice of our customer with this variant.
Stepway pomeni, da je dvignjeno tal, ampak od oznake Extreme bi si pa vendarle lahko obetali še kaj več, a ne?
Yes, this is a nice question. To some extent, what we say is that the outdoor here is kind of soft outdoors. The Jogger will not fit with 4x4, but we think that already with the ground clearance, the big wheels, we can do outdoor activities and go to countrysides, let's say, roads. And inside the lineup of Dacia, our real off-roader is the SUV Duster that fits also with real 4x4 mechanical. So I would advise the customer willing to go really off-road to go to this SUV Duster.
Po prvih kilometrih ocenjujemo, da je Joggerjev najšibkejši člen motor, dobesedno najšibkejši, kajti avto je velik, osnovni LPG motor pa šibek, ravno tako litrska turboverzija. Ampak nekaj se obeta.
We are preparing a surprise for beginning of 2023 with an hybrid offer that will come into this car. And it will be both hybrid and automatic transmission at the same time.
Hibrid ali pa tisto, kar nam nekateri prodajajo kot hibrid?
No. Yes, we have to be careful by saying hybrid because some OEM are using hybrid when it's not really hybrid. So at Renault Group, we are using hybrid for the real full hybrid, so it means high voltage.
Kaj pa elektrika?
Not fully electric because we have here, let's say, some customers that are willing to have sufficiently polyvalent car in order to do long journey. You can imagine 7 people, you can have, let's say, bicycles to carry, and so you go long way to the holidays. So this is clearly not for the time being the purpose for the electric cars, but hybrid will be decently, let's say, offering a good level of CO2 and fuel efficiency, as well as, let's say, polyvalence to every usage.
Torej pri Dacii o modernih električnih pogonih razmišljajo zdravo pametjo. Ta električne pogone ne zavrača a priori, a meni, da so primerni kvečemu za mali mestni avto, na primer za Springa. A po drugi strani so pri tem izredno težko pričakovanem in zaželenem električnem malčku za evropske kriterije vendarle pretiravali s pojmovanjem, kaj je tisto osnovno, kar vozniki hočemo od avtomobila. Kliknite na naš test Springa, pa boste razumeli, o čem govorimo.